Stopping your headache with acupuncture. There are a lot of things that we have to deal with on a regular basis which affects our health. One very common thing that is experienced by people in general are headaches. As a matter of fact, some people have headaches so frequently that they simply learn to live with them and deal with the pain as best they can. Still others have headaches, such as migraines, which are almost impossible to ignore and become life-altering because of their intensity. As a result of these headaches, many people have turned acupuncture in order to find some relief from their suffering. There are really two different types of individuals who come to an acupuncturist in order to seek relief from their headaches. There are those who are currently experiencing a headache and those that are trying to get some kind of preventative care in order to stop the next headache from coming or to decrease its intensity. These are two very different situations and are treated differently from the acupuncturist's standpoint. Depending on your situation when you enter their office will make a difference in how you are treated. The reason why this is the case is because acupuncture is a way of moving energy throughout your body and it also can increase blood flow to certain areas. The way of treating an existing headache differs somewhat from the treatment that will assist in blocking future headaches. Your doctor will be able to make that determination and to adjust the treatment accordingly. Many people try acupuncture treatments to stop their headaches, but they are nervous whenever they enter into the office. Perhaps they have never experienced acupuncture before and are wondering how it is going to feel or if it is dangerous. The fact is, acupuncture is one of the least dangerous medical treatments that exists. Although it is possible for problems to happen, it is very rare, and if the doctor is competent and uses sterile means when inserting the needles, there is little need for worry. The needles themselves rarely hurt whenever they enter into the skin and often make the individual feel either relaxed or even rejuvenated. So, if you are experiencing headaches, the ancient Chinese art of acupuncture may be able to assist you in dealing with them. By bringing your body back into balance, you may be able to overcome your headaches once and for all.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.